How to add or remove payment method on eBay. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to do so, you may head over and follow up the steps. So open up the eBay application on your screen and you may just go ahead and select a product first of all. For example, headphones or any other products that you prefer. After you select up the product, you can just go ahead and bid or purchase the particular product. Let me just go ahead and tap on buy it now in order to purchase the product. And when you head over and try to buy the product, you will be given options to pay. So we have different options available. If you like to add up a payment method, you can just go ahead and do so. We have PayPal and Google Pay. Apart from that, if you like to add up a card, look out for add new card option. And from there, you can just go ahead and add up a card. You can type in the card number, the expiration date, security code, etc. And that's it. After that, tap on done and your debit card or credit card will be added. If you'd like to remove your payment method, you can head over to the payment method section on your device. After that, select up the card that you wish to cancel or your PayPal or Google Pay as well. After that, once you select it, you can just go ahead and select the option and tap on delete option and just go ahead and confirm it. And that is how you remove it as well. And that's it. So if you'd also like to go ahead and remove or add payment method on eBay, you may just head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.